Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the current Dropbox pricing plans, starting from the free basic plan all the way up to the advanced plans meant for larger teams. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plan fits your needs. Let's begin. Dropbox Basic Free Plan. First, we have the Dropbox Basic Plan. This plan is completely free and provides 2 GB of storage for a single user. It includes essential features like syncing files across your devices, simple file sharing, and secure access from the web or mobile app. If you only need to store documents or a few photos, or if you're just testing cloud storage for the first time, the basic plan is the perfect starting point. You get this plan automatically when you sign up for Dropbox account. Next is the Dropbox Plus plan, designed for personal use. This plan costs $9.99 per month and gives you 2 TB of storage for one user. You also get 30 days of file recovery, the ability to stay connected across all your devices, and the option to transfer files up to 50 GB. Plus, you can edit PDFs and even collect signatures directly within Dropbox. If you're upgrading from the free plan and need significantly more storage for your photos, videos, and personal files, the Plus plan is a strong choice. Moving on, we have the Dropbox Professional plan. This one costs $16.58 per month and includes 3 TB of storage for a single user. You get extended file recovery for up to 180 days, large file transfers up to 100 GB, and advanced tools like branded file sharing and password-protected links. You can edit PDFs, collect signatures, and present your work more professionally. This plan is ideal for freelancers, content creators, and professionals who need both storage and advanced sharing options. Next is Dropbox Standard, created for teams of 3 or more users. The cost is $15 per user per month, and the entire team shares 5 TB of storage. It includes 180 days of file recovery, PDF editing, signatures, branded sharing, and 100 GB file transfers. If your team collaborates frequently and needs a shared space for files with reliable recovery tools, the standard plan is a great fit. Finally, we have Dropbox Advanced, designed for larger companies with big storage needs. This plan costs $24 per user per month and starts with 15 TB of storage for the team. It includes 1 full year of file recovery, large 100 GB file transfers, PDF editing, signatures, branded sharing, and password-protected links. Administrators also get stronger access and security controls. This plan is perfect for organizations that manage a high volume of data and need advanced admin tools along with long-term version history. And that's all. Thank you and subscribe for such videos.